In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome full screen not working. If Chrome is not entering full screen properly, or if it seems stuck and won't respond the way it should, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try directly inside the browser to fix the problem. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots to open the main menu. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage and fix common browser issues. Inside Settings, look for the Reset Settings section. This option is useful because it returns Chrome's settings back to their default state, which can often solve display or functionality problems like full screen not working correctly. Click Reset Settings, then choose the option to restore settings to their original defaults. After that, click Reset Settings again to confirm. Keep in mind that this won't remove your bookmarks, but it may disable extensions and reset certain browser preferences. That can be helpful if one of those settings is causing the full screen issue. Once that is done, the next thing to check is whether your version of Chrome is fully updated. Staying updated is important because browser bugs are often fixed in newer versions. To do that, go back into the menu and click About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates when this page opens. If an update is available, let it install completely. You may be asked to relaunch the browser afterward, so go ahead and do that to apply the update properly. After Chrome has been reset and updated, check again to see whether full screen is now working. Try using the browser normally and see if the issue has been resolved. If you're still having the problem, there's one more quick thing to try. Press the F11 key on your keyboard. On many computers, F11 is the shortcut that tells Chrome to enter or exit full screen mode. Sometimes the menu option may not respond as expected, but the keyboard shortcut works right away. If nothing happens the first time, press it again carefully and give Chrome a moment to respond. By going through these steps, you can fix many of the most common reasons Chrome full screen stops working. Follow them in order, and in most cases the issue should be resolved.